Hello, language learners! Welcome back to Everyday English Fluency.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, doctor. I've been feeling quite under the weather lately. I have a persistent cough and a bit of a fever.
How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
It's been about a week now. I thought it might go away on its own, but it's not improving.
I'm glad you came in. Have you had any other symptoms? Like body aches or shortness of breath?
Yes, I've had body aches, and I've been feeling a bit fatigued too.
All right. It sounds like we should do a thorough examination. I'll check your temperature and listen to your breathing.
Sure, sounds good.
Your temperature is slightly elevated, and I can hear some congestion in your chest. Based on your symptoms, it's possible you have a respiratory infection.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good.
Don't worry, it's quite common and treatable. I'll prescribe some antibiotics to help clear the infection. Also, make sure to rest, stay hydrated, and avoid contact with others to prevent spreading any potential germs.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. If your symptoms worsen or don't improve in a few days, don't hesitate to come back. Remember, taking care of yourself is important.
I will. Thank you for your advice.
No problem. Get well soon, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Actually, doctor, I've been experiencing some headaches too. It's not severe, but it comes and go.
I appreciate you sharing that. Headaches can sometimes accompany infections. Is it localized or do it spread?
It's more of a dull ache around my forehead and temples.
Noted. It could be due to sinus congestion. The respiratory infection might be causing that. Let's keep an eye on it while the antibiotics work.
All right, and one more thing. I've been having trouble sleeping because of the coughing. It's been quite disruptive.
I understand. Coughing can indeed disrupt sleep. Elevating your head with an extra pillow might help. Also, you can try some warm tea before bedtime to soothe your throat.
Thanks for the suggestions, doctor. I'll give them a try.
You're welcome. Remember, if the coughing persists or worsens, let me know. We'll adjust the treatment if needed.
I will. It's reassuring to have your guidance.
I'm here to help. It's important to address all aspects of your health. And speaking of that, do you have any pre-existing medical conditions or allergies I should be aware of?
No, nothing serious. I don't have any known allergies.
That's good to know. And finally, be sure to finish the course of antibiotics even if you start feeling better. This will ensure the infection is fully cleared.
Got it, doctor. Thank you for your time and thorough explanation.
Of course, happy to help. Keep in touch and let me know how you're progressing.
Have a great day, doctor.
You too. Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.